got the top part of the parallel channel as well. So you can see where it's touching it, so it's potentially within that channel. Let's see where this middle of this channel as well, so we know if it comes in or if it goes up, where you could have some resistance and support. So I think around this area here, I think around here. Let's put that there. You can see where it's touched quite a few times, so I'm comfortable with that's probably the middle of this.
Before we get started, just a quick disclaimer. The content on this channel is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not financial advice, and I am not a licensed financial advisor. Everything shared in this video is based on personal opinion, research, and experience. So please do your own research and consult a qualified professional before making any financial decisions. Investing involves risk, and you could lose money. By watching this video, you agree that you are responsible for your own financial choices. With that said, let's get into the video.
Welcome back to Bull and Bear Hunter. Today we are looking at the London gas oil chart. We will start with the monthly view, and we'll then see what we can find. But looking at the monthly view, you can see that gas has gone up by quite a fair bit. It's trading towards the higher end at the moment. So let's put some horizontal lines in so we can see where our supports and resistance are. So let's add another parallel just here, and then we'll have a look and see what else we can find, and just build the picture of where London gas is traded. Sorry, London gas oil is traded, and possibly which direction it's going, and where we need to make sure we can take opportunities from this chart. So I can see a wedge, a big wedge that formed, and it looks like it broke out of that wedge, came back in. We tested that 600 area before launching a lot higher to roughly about 1,420, and then is now sort of going backward and forward. So if it comes back in, where could we have a bit of support? I reckon is about the 800 area. You're going to have some support at the lower side of this chart. If it decides to drop back down, so it's the area that you've had that breakout from the triangle. So let's look at the daily. Let's zoom in, and let's just pull this across. Okay, so I can see what could potentially be a bull flag. So you can see where it's broken out of the lower channel, it's gone up, and it's now forming a bull flag. So let's put a parallel channel in here, and let's just drag that across, line it all up, and let's just see what we can review. Okay, so as I suspected, we've possibly got a bull flag here. So let's just go into the 1 hour. Okay, here we go. So on the 1 hour, so we can look a bit closer in a little bit more detail, so we can see where it's we've got the lower part of the parallel channel, and then we've got the top part of the parallel channel as well. So you see where it's touching it, so it's potentially within that channel. Let's see where this middle of this channel as well, so we know if it comes in or if it goes up, where you could have some resistance and support. So I think around this area here, I think around here. Let's put that there. You can see where it's touched quite a few times, so I'm comfortable with that's probably the middle of this parallel channel. So at the moment, if it keeps going up, it will have a little bit of resistance just above the 1,200 area. So let's just adjust this a little bit. There you go. Just make sure it's touching that line, and let's just adjust that top to make sure everything's spot on. With these charts, as long as you're close enough, just to give you an idea, then it's perfectly fine. So let's look at the 10 minutes. Let's zoom in and let's see what we can find on here. We can then start maybe add some figures and some numbers in. So let's I can see an area here which you're gonna have some sort of resistance. So let's just draw that in. So here we go. So what I detect here, what I see is an area of resistance, which is 1250 to 1223. That's the area that you're gonna have a lot of resistance. And if it can trade up to it and try to break out of it, then London gas oil can move higher. So I'm just gonna put a note in there. Resistance of 12230. Let's just get that in there, apply. We see anything else that could help us to determine the direction the market on the London gas oil is still heading, or are we potentially gonna hit resistance and come back in? So let's just go back to the 1 hour. Let's drag this across a little bit lower so we can see where we are. So we're going to keep working within this parallel channel. So let's just put a top area here where you can potentially be heading. So we'll put a comment here. So let's go resistance. We'll put that in here. Once we establish the resistance, then we'll put in the support at the bottom as well. One thing I have noticed, I've put too many digits, so let's just take out this 2, so it will be 1350. So let's just correct that, and then I'll correct the resistance as well, which I've got 12.230. It should be 12.30. So let's just amend that. There we go. And apply. And then now we're going to look at the support at the bottom of the channel. So that is 930. Just put that in here. Let's go support. I'm just going to go ahead and put in 950, and as the support area. And that will conclude our chart for London gas oil today. If you like what you are watching, if you can like, share, subscribe, leave your comments, and look out for the next video. Catch up soon. Thank you. Bye bye.